Hello students, now the next chapter we are going to do, that is bill of exchange. Now what is a bill of exchange? Bill of exchange means a bill drawn by a person directing another person to pay the specified sum of money to another person. A bill of exchange is of real use if it is accepted by the person directed to pay the amount. Let us clear all this thing by an example. Suppose there is a person X and the another one is Y. Now X sold goods to Y. X ने goods sell करी Y को. Now Y has to give the amount to the X, but Y purchase the goods from the X now on the credit basis, and he will promise to make the payment after 3 months. Now X would have needs the security that Y will pay the amount after the 3 months. So how the X will show that Y will pay the amount after the 3 months? X will write a bill on Y that he will make the payment after 3 months. That amount is to be paid by the Y after the 3 months. Now that bill is accepted is to be accepted by the Y. If the Y accepted the bill, then it is of the real use that X will receive the payment after the 3 months from the Y. So the seller gives a credit period to the buyer on selling goods or on providing services. What are the features of this bill of exchange? Bill of exchange that should be in writing. It should be drawn and signed by the maker or the drawer of the bill. It is drawn on a specific person who is called drawee, जिसके ऊपर ये बिल कंप्लीट जो है वो रखा जाएगा. So to make the payment the specified amounts, contains an unconditional order to the person, that is drawee, and to make an instrument of the value of drawee must accept it. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की ये जो पॉसिबल तभी होगा, इसका वैल्यूएबल ये तभी है ओनली व्हेन द ड्रॉई इसे एक्सेप्ट करता है. द स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट इज़ पेबल टू द पर्सन हुज नेम इज़ मैंशन ऑन द बिल और टू हिज ऑर्डर और टू द बियरर ऑफ द बिल, एंड स्पेसिफाई द डेट ऑल्सो ऑन विच द अमाउंट शुड बी पेड. Then there are 3 parties are involved in the bill of exchange. One is the drawer. Drawer is the person who writes the bill, means who is the seller. Drawer is the person who accepts the bill, who is the purchaser, and pay is the person to whom the amount of bill of exchange is to be paid, and the payee can be the drawer himself or the creditor of the drawer. This is the specific specimen for the bill of exchange. Then what are the advantages of the bill of exchange? First one is the legal evidence. अब जो बिल आपने राइट किया था, इट्स अ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट, बिकॉज अगर ड्रॉई जो है आफ्टर 3 months पेमेंट नहीं करता, देन ड्रॉर कैन sue the person to make the payment of the bill. Second, specific amount and the date, the particular amount and the date is mentioned in the bill. Then discounting facility is there. It means कि if the drawer needs the money before the due date, then he have the facility to discount the bill from the bank before the due date of the bill. Then another one is it is negotiable. Negotiable means कि transferable है, means if the X receive the bill from the Y and X made to payment to the Z, then X can transfer the bill to the Z for making the payment. Then drawee enjoy full credit period, because now the drawee is bound to pay the amount of the bill on the due date. Now he cannot be compelled to make the payment earlier, therefore he enjoy the full credit period to arrange the money to make the payment on the due date. Change in relationship. Before bill of exchange, seller is a creditor and buyer is a debtor. जब आपका बिल जो है राइट होता है, उससे पहले दे आर द क्रेडिटर एंड द डेटर. बट आफ्टर मेकिंग द bill and the acceptance is given by the the person, by the purchaser, then they have the drawer and the drawee. Now they become the drawer and drawee for the bill of exchange. Promissory note. Promissory note is a written agreement to pay the specific amount at a future date or on demand to a specific party. This could be a set date or a date chosen by the lender. Acceptance is not required in a promissory note because the maker himself has to make the payment, and he himself make the promissory note that in which he promises to make the payment. So there are some features of promissory notes also. It is in writing, and it must contain an unconditional promise to make the payment. The sum payable that should be quite certain. The promissory note must be signed by the maker of the bill, and it must be payable to a certain person, and it should be properly stamped. There are two parties in the promissory note involved. One is the drawer, that is who is also called the promisor, and he is the person who makes or draw the promissory note to make the specified amount as mentioned in the promissory note. तो जो प्रॉमिस कर रहा है कि वो इतना अमाउंट है स्पेसिफिक डेट के ऊपर पे कर देगा. एंड ड्रॉई इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द प्रॉमिस. ही और शी इज द पर्सन in whose favor promissory note is drawn. Usually the drawer is also the payee. Now there are some differences between the bill of exchange and promissory note. Bill of exchange is an instrument in writing shown the indebtedness of a buyer towards the seller of the goods, and promissory note is a written promise by the debtor to pay a certain sum of money to the creditor at a future specified date. In Bill of Exchange, Section 5 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 and promissory note is defined by the Section 4 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. In Bill of Exchange, three parties are involved: drawer, drawee and payee. And in the promissory note, two parties are there. One is the drawer and another one is the payee. Bill of exchange is drawn by the creditor, and whereas the promissory note is drawn by the debtor. Bills can be drawn in copies, bill of exchange, in the case of bill of exchange, and promissory note cannot be drawn in copies. Notice is necessary at the time of dishonor of the bill to all the parties involved, and there is no notice is necessary to be given to the maker. Now after that we have the maturity of the bill and the due date. What is the maturity of the bill and due date is also important here. Here we learn about the maturity of the bill of exchange. In the commercial world, maturity means the date when the payment is due, means जब payment आपके पास receive होगी. The date that comes after adding the 3 days of grace to the due date of the bill is known as the date of maturity. मीन्स कि जब भी आपके पास बिल की पर्टिकुलर डेट आएगी तो उसमें आपने 3 डेज जो है वो ग्रेस के ऐड करने हैं, देन इट विल बिकम दी डेट ऑफ दी मैच्योरिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर आपने 1 जैन को बिल राइट किया फॉर 1 मंथ, तो 1 मंथ का बिल की जो डेट आएगी वो आएगी 1 Feb, एंड विच यू हैव टू ऐड दी 3 डेज ऑफ ग्रेस. सो नाउ द मैच्योरिटी डेट विल बी द 4th Feb. So the date when the payment is due is called the maturity date. The date that comes after adding the 3 days of grace to the due date of the bill. तो बिल के ड्यू डेट में जब आप 3 डेज ग्रेस के ऐड कर देते हैं देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड द डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. तब ये आपके पास आएगा मैच्योरिटी का डेट. इट मीन्स व्हेन द पेमेंट इज़ टू बी रिसीव्ड. टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द बिल बेटर, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडर द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द ड्यू डेट. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द ड्यू डेट? इट इज़ अ डेट ऑन विच द पेमेंट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड और ड्यू, मीन्स कि जिस डेट के ऊपर अमाउंट जो था वो रिसीव होना था. देन वी हैव द बिल एट साइट. बिल एट साइट मीन्स कि इन बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इफ़ द एक्सप्रेशन एट साइट एंड ऑन प्रेजेंटेशन मीन्स पेबल ऑन द डिमांड. इफ़ नो टाइम फॉर पेमेंट इज़ मैंशन इन द बिल, अगर बिल के अंदर कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम जो है वो मैंशन नहीं है, इट इज़ पेबल ऑन द डिमांड. and bills payable on demand due as soon as the bill is presented for the payment. Next we have bill after sight. Bill after sight, when the expression after sight in a bill of exchange refer, it means that after accepting, means कि जब आपने बिल जो था एक फिक्स पीरियड के लिए राइट किया और वहाँ पे आफ्टर साइट वर्ड मेंशन है, नाउ द पीरियड बिगिन्स टू रन फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ द एक्सेप्टेंस. तो जो आपका बिल का पीरियड है वो कब से एक्सेप्ट होगा? व्हेन द बिल इज़ एक्सेप्टेड. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर बिल जो राइट किया 1 मार्च को एंड इज़ एक्सेप्टेड ऑन द 5 मार्च, और बिल को एक्सेप्ट किया 5 मार्च को, नाउ द मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द बिल इज़ काउंटेड in for the 1 month after sight and the due date of the bill would be 5th March plus 1 month means 5th April. तो जो ड्यू डेट आपके पास आएगी वो आपके पास आएगी, आपने 5th मार्च से काउंट जो है उसको स्टार्ट करना. 5th मार्च प्लस 1 मंथ जो है वहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा. बट अगर बिल आफ्टर डेट मेंशन है, हेयर द ड्यू डेट इज़ द डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग प्लस द टर्म्स ऑफ द बिल. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर बिल राइट किया गया 1 जैन को और इसकी मैच्योरिटी डेज थी 30 डेज, देन द ड्यू डेट वुड बी 1 जैन प्लस 30 डेज मीन्स 31 जैन. उसके बाद आपके पास डेज ऑफ ग्रेस आते हैं. ड्रॉ इज़ गिवन 3 डेज एक्स्ट्रा फॉलोइंग द ड्यू डेट ऑफ द बिल फॉर मेकिंग द पेमेंट एंड दीज 3 डेज आर known as days of grace. It is accustomed to add the days of grace. For example, if the bill is drawn on 1st January and its maturity date is 1 month, then the due date would be 1st January plus 1 month plus 3 days of grace, that is 4th of Feb. So this is the maturity date when the amount is to be paid. Now we have the types of the bill. It depends upon the objects or the purpose. From the accounting point of view, bill of exchange are of the two types. The one is the trade bill and another one is the accommodation bill. Now what is the trade bill? Where the bill of exchange is drawn to settle a debt or the trade transaction. Is it clear? कि trade bill आपके पास क्या है? When the bill is drawn to settle the debt, और जब डेट को सेटल करने के लिए बिल राइट करते हैं, देन दिस बिल इज़ कॉल्ड दी ट्रेड बिल एंड दिस बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज़ ड्रॉन बाय द सेलर ऑफ द गुड्स एंड इज़ एक्सेप्टेड बाय द बायर. सो अ बिल इज़ एक्सेप्टेड टू सेटल अ ट्रेड डेट इज़ नोन एज द ट्रेड बिल. देन वी हैव द एकोमोडेशन बिल. अब एकोमोडेशन बिल क्या है? इन समटाइम्स इन ऑर्डर टू ओब्लाइज अ फ्रेंड a bill may be accepted without consideration. So when the bill is drawn and accepted for the mutual help, it is called accommodation bill. This bill is for the mutual benefit without a trade transaction and it doesn't involve a sale or purchase of any goods or services. This bill carries an agreement between the two parties for the purpose of just giving and financial support to others. So this is all about the bill of exchange intro. Next we will do the practical questions related to the bill of exchange. Okay, so thank you everyone.